Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West, and today I'm going to talk to you about 58 through 64 Impalas. Now we happen to have a frame in front of me here. This is one of our display frames. The reason why I brought it out is because I want to show you what we're talking about an angle that we're changing on one of our lower control arms for airbag suspension. Now we built several different control arms for the Impala, for standard springs, coilovers, extended travel coilovers, and of course the airbags. We changed the design on the airbag from going to this design, which has got a round pad designed for an airbag application, to something with a larger plate. It's reinforced underneath to accommodate the load. Everything still bolts on, but we've got this large plate here. Now, let me tell you why. Originally, when we did our airbag designs, we're assuming that when you put your airbag in, you're going to keep it at the same angle as the spring. The spring, when it mounts in the frame, is not straight up and down like this. It mounts like this, and the lower control arm as it swings, its pads are mounted like this. You see kind of an angle there? Depending on what airbag kit you purchase, or how the installer installs it on your frame, if he changes this angle, and let's say he puts it flat here, up inside the frame, which a lot of them do, that changes the position of where your airbag is going to contact that lower control arm. It moves it inboard. We're basing on holding the spring at the correct angle, or the airbag at the spring angle, and the installer is going straight up and down. We chose to go ahead and accommodate some of the kits that are out there based on the fact that that's probably what they're going to do, is make it straight up and down rather than maintain the angle that the spring was originally on. So this part number is a CTA 84B-2. The original part number was a CTA 84B for airbags, but this is the second generation. This here will give you a lot more latitude in reference to installing the airbag, because we're not sure what kit you have, and we also don't know how the installer is going to install it. We find a lot of them have their own game plan on what they'd like to do. So this arm is going to help you, or help them, accommodate whatever angle they decide to go. You can see it right here. Generally, lower control arms are pretty much parallel to ground for driving, and you can see the airbag. Normally, it would be on an angle like this, which is what we originally had, but if they mount it straight up and down, it's perfect. So, 58 through 64 airbag CTA 84B-2 gets you the hot new design set up for whatever angle you're going to use.